Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of Portmore. We're actually on the Portmore Expressway driving into Kingston. We're going to go over the 3 mile, we're going to go onto Hagley Park Road and go over the 3 miles overpass and head towards Halfway Tree. So this route is one of the busiest routes in Jamaica because Portmore has one of the largest populations in Jamaica and Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. The intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road, which we are going to pass, is actually the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So it's so busy that a double overpass, the only double overpass in Jamaica, was built there. So we are taking the tour that most persons take when leaving Portmore to get to Halfway Tree. So on the right is the Kingston Container Terminal. Straight ahead you can see a view of New Kingston. A massive building is actually the Pegasus, which is the tallest building in Jamaica. Not sure how clear it is on the video, but we are on the Portmore Expressway and we're going to go exit the Portmore Expressway and go on to Hagley Park Road shortly. So here we are now, exiting and going on to Hagley Park Road. If we had continued straight, we would go on to Marcus Garvey Drive. Now straight ahead, that's the Tinson-Penn Aerodrome. It's not an airport, it's an aerodrome, which is like a step down from an airport because it doesn't have all the facilities necessary to deem it an airport. It's actually not that popular. It's used for small planes at training school, but it was said recently that the government or the airport authority was not sure what to do with it because travel within Jamaica is not that popular on these small planes. One thought was to turn it into a cargo facility, but nonetheless it's open, it's up and running, it's an aerodrome, it has a tower, you can land small planes there. There are actually a few aerodromes in Jamaica. You have Port Antonio has one, Negril has one, Tinson-Penn, and there was one in Boscobel, but that one has been upgraded to the Ian Fleming International Airport. You still can't land the large planes like Norman Mandela or Sangster International Airport, but it can land bigger planes, not the massive planes, but it can still land planes that are coming from overseas. Alright, so now this is a 3 miles overpass. We are on Hagley Park Road, so the higher of the two overpasses is Hagley Park Road. The one below it is Spanish Town Road overpass, and below that you have the regular intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. But these overpasses have definitely made a big difference in the flow of traffic right here. This was a traffic nightmare before the overpasses were built because the intersection was just so busy. And Hagley Park Road was recently renovated and Spanish Town Road is under renovation, but it's taking forever. Not sure why that project actually has seemed to start. Nonetheless, Hagley Park Road has been renovated and it's a dual carriageway with a concrete barricade. It's actually a mini highway because this is how the highways look when driving to the country. See the concrete, this is Hagley Park Road we're on now, and you see the concrete barricades. So this project was done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and they did an excellent job with it. The overpass we just came off was actually built by China Harbour Engineering Company as well. Alright, at this stoplight now, this is Walton Park Road. So this is the intersection at Hagley Park Road with Walton Park Road. Turn left, you take Walton Park Road into the Olympic Gardens community. Turn right, you take it to Spanish Town Road. But we're going to go straight and stay on Hagley Park Road.